Babies, this is an unpackaging or unboxing or unbagging, however you want to look at it, from Social Nature. And I have something from my Chelle Serums and Oils Ultra Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum softens and hydrates, and it's for dry skin. I also have a $5 coupon off for Whole Foods Market, and we do have one in this area, so I'll probably look it up to see how much it is. And an information card. So as you see, I'm not putting it on my face, but I just want you to see. Comes out like a gel. And here I'm rubbing it into my hand. I don't know. I can't say what the smell is. It smells flowery. And I'm allergic to flowers, so flowers stink to me, even though I don't know what smell it is, because it tones down after you rub it in. But it's hydrating on my hand, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to check it out so I can do a review for you all. And this is the little miniature bottle they sent me.